Hi everyone. Today I'm taking about casting in Java. Why we use the casting and what purpose we use the casting. And the before class I already told data types and literals. There are the different data types and also different literals types in the Java. Where the data types and literals match, there is no need to conversion of or a type of casting required. So for example int a equal to 9. We already know this is a data type, this is a literal type. 9 is the number, it's matching with the integer level. This is an integer type of the number. So here no need to conversion of the casting, here no need to doing the any, no need to require the casting. Under an example, byte be equal to 9, say. There also no need to require casting, because this is the byte, minimum range of the byte value is matching, so here no need to doing the casting. So short c here also same thing. Here also no need to doing the, like as the float equal to 3.69 float, double f equal to 3.6 float, char g equal to character s, boolean h equal to true. Like this we have to discover. Here no need to do the any casting required. So next, when the data type and literals don't match, it may result in the different possibilities as shown, already shown in int a equal to 9 and byte b equal to 9. So like in this, there are three possibilities ways of the casting. There is the Java will automatically convert, and the Java will give the compile error. Sometimes we given like integer a equal to, suppose I here given suppose I will explain this. Suppose I can int a equal to capital S, character as I given. That time it's showing the compiler error. And the explicit type of casting is also possible in the casting, like int a equal to, sorry, int a equal to 9. This is a normal casting. Java will automatically convert. But what will happen, sometimes we have to explicitly give the casting. That time we need to do int a, open the curly braces, scroll the curly braces, int a equal to 9. This is the explicit casting. This is the compiler error, this is the automatically converted, this is the explicit casting. So Java will automatically convert, like long I will show you. Automatically Java will automatically convert. How to it's possible? Casting. Okay, how it possible? Long equal to 9, and this character a equal to 115. This is automatically converted. So in this case, what will happen in casting? We already know the we have to do the casting. What we need first, we have to need the data types and literals for casting. So we already know the casting. We already know the data types. This is literals. In literals, what different types are there in literals? There is integer, type, long type, floating type, and double, and character, and boolean, string, and escape. We already know, I already told in the previous class, escape character. And another type I have to return here, data types. In the data types we already know what different types of the data types are there: the byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, sorry, boolean, boolean and string. This is the in the casting for the in Java we have to do the casting. That time we have to require literals and byte. There are the three possibilities ways I already told here. One is the Java is automatically converted. Second one is the suppose if we have the give the character the literal type of the character integer is the character. So here we are showing the compile error. It's showing the compile error compiler, and here we did the explicit casting. Here we did the explicit casting. So in this cases casting will be going like this. For example, now I am taking one simple example, like boolean equal to true. What happened? Boolean equal to true. Boolean is a data type, true is a literal type, right? In case what happened, boolean is matching to literal type. In this case we don't need to do the casting. We don't require casting. So what happened in this case? Data type and literals match, so we have to know the casting. We have to know need the conversion. Sometimes what happen? Data type and letters those not matching. How can? Yes, that one. Boolean 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 A equal to 9. In this what happen? This is a data type, this is a literal type, this is an integer type. So the integer literal type. So what happen? In this case we have to convert. This is showing some time error, and we have to convert explicit casting. So in this particular example we automatically we have to convert the explicit. Sometime what happen? Sometime double equal to 9. What happened? This is a data type, this is a integer literal type. In this case the 9 is matching here, but what happened? The Java will automatically converted. Internally this is Java will convert. So this is the first case of the in Java automatically converted. There are three possibilities ways in casting: automatically converted, second one compiler error, third one is the explicit convert. So in this first case Java will automatically converted. In second case what will happen? This is a case 1. In second case what happened? Case 2. What happened? Int A equal to true. What happened? This is an integer type, this is a boolean literal. We cannot convert boolean to integer. What happened? We cannot convert boolean to integer. This is a case 2. In this case what happened? This is showing compile error. So in case 3, in this case what happened? Int A equal to 3.69 something. Okay, what happened? This is a floating point, this is an integer type. So literal type doesn't match the data type. So in this what can we do? In this we the compiler means in the Eclipse it's showing the error add cast to int. That is the one solution of the casting. And in this the third case, what is the type casting? Initially we getting the compile error. Java is not automatically not converted to, so then in this case that's why in this case we have to do explicit convert. How? Int A equal to int open the curly braces, close the curly braces. we have to write. This is the Java explicit convert. This is the Java explicit convert. This is the case 3. So I will show the example of, I already create one class in previous section. This is a typecasting. Already make videos of this in the previous class. I try to do this case 1 and try to execute this all. It's take time to do that. That's why I already written and copy and paste. I will do the copy and paste. Okay, done. Somewhere error is showing. Yes, here is error. Type mismatching. Okay, done. What happened in this case? See here. Long A9. This is the integer type of literal. This is a long type of data types. This is what is the output of this? This is the 9. Next, int b. This is the case is mismatching because the integer maximum value is 128 byte. So this is also possible in this case. 115. Next, integer c. This is a character type. This is the integer type. What is our answer? 115. Next, this is also same thing will happen. This is also same thing will happen. This is also like this we have to do. Somewhere it's got error. Somewhere. Yes, I. Here I written H, but here I give an I. H. Somewhere K. There is a small K. Here I written capital K. Okay. Let's we execute. What is the error? I didn't say. Yes, see here the last W double how it's came. See here, like this is a floating point, this is a double. It's convert to like this is Java will convert automatically internally. So see here what happened. I given int b equal to int c equal to s. In this case, what happened? This is a take the 15. Why it's take 15? I will explain. In the Java will ASCII code is there. That is the ASCII code we search in Google. Capital small s value is 115. That's why Java is automatically converted. We got here Java is automatically converted. This is the case 1. Okay, this is the case 1. In case 2, what we have to do? In case 2, okay, in case 2, start. Okay, this is the next case 2. Case 2. Case 2. Here I am explaining about case 2. See here, byte C equal to true. What is showing? This is a Boolean type of literal. This is a byte type of data type. So it's showing, what showing is the type mismatch cannot convert from Boolean to byte. The type mismatch cannot convert to Boolean to type because right side is the Boolean, left side is the byte data type. If try to assign the Boolean literal to a variable of the byte data type, it's giving the compile error. In Java, it's like, in Java what happened? Like it's not possible like this. So I already written case 2 examples. Lot of I will put and show you. See here, all are showing error because here boolean, here double data type, here integer boolean type of here string type of the literals, here double type of the data type. So in this case too, it's not possible. In this case too, the not possible. It's all are showing the compile error. So it's showing the data type with does not match. It's showing the data type does not match. So this is a case 2. In this case 3, next we have discussed case 3. Case 3. What happened in this case 3? I already told we have in this there are in Java there are the 3 types of possibilities in casting. One is automatically converted, second one is the compiler error, third one is the explicit casting. So in this explicit we have to see the example byte a equal to byte 9L. See, first I will show you how it's possible. See here, come here came the error. Why it came error? Let's see what is the error. Cannot convert from the long to byte. There are two possibilities: add cast to byte and change type to a to long. So what happened? This is the long type of literals. This is the byte data type. So in this case, it's not possible. We have to require to do the explicit casting. Here we have to do explicit casting. That's why what happened, that is showing the error, cannot convert from long to byte. We have to two possible: change type of a to long or add cast to byte. So I am adding the casting. See here, error was gone. So let's example what is the our output. System dot out dot println calling a semicolon. Okay, let's execute, save it, execute. What is the answer? See here, this is a long type, but what answer is came? 9. This is a explicitly converting. This is a explicitly converting. You got it? Next, I will explain about the type of casting in Java. In types of the casting, type of type casting. So take the two types of in the type casting. That is two types of the type casting. First one is the widening. In this widening, what will happen? Widening means smaller size literal to bigger size data type. What is widening means? Smaller size literal to bigger size data type. Smaller size literal to bigger size literal. Okay, widening means smaller size literal to bigger size literal. Example: long a equal to 9. What happened in this case? You got what is I told. 9 is the bigger. Sorry. I explained wrong. 9 is a smaller, long is a bigger. So what happens? Smaller size literal to bigger size literal. Smaller size literal to bigger size literals. So in this what happened? Implicit typecasting. Here what happened? implicit typecasting. Java will automatically or internally converting. Java will automatically and internally converting. Next example. I will explain. Next is narrowing. Narrowing will what happen? Narrowing what happen? Bigger sized literal to smaller sized literal. Okay, bigger size literal to smaller size data type. Data type. Okay, example, int a equal to int. I already explained in the previous one example. 9l. Okay, what happened here? Here explicit typecasting. Narrowing means what happened? Bigger size literal to smaller size data type. See here, this is a bigger, long is a bigger, int is a smaller. Here int 9 is a smaller, long is a bigger. So the trick is very simple. Yes to big, big to yes, opposite case. Widening means smaller size literal to bigger size literal. Narrowing means bigger size literal to smaller size data type. So in case this is the automatically internally converted, this is the explicitly converted. So in the typecasting only two types available, widening and narrowing. So what is the typecasting? Means it is the internally converting or explicitly converting one literal type to the different data type. Casting means what? It is the internal or explicitly converting one literal type to the different data types. Two types of the casting we have already discussed here, widening and narrowing. Widening means what happens, smaller size literal to when assigned to the larger size data type are automatically converted by the Java. I already given example also. And narrowing casting means in bigger size literal when assigned to the smaller size data type we are explicitly converting. I will give you one small hint how we